Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make cantaloupe sorbet. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 perfectly ripe cantaloupe, about half a cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. This easy method ensures a delicious, refreshing treat with minimal effort, perfect for any warm day. Let's get started on this delightful dessert. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the cantaloupe. Carefully cut the melon in half and use a spoon to scoop out all the seeds and fibrous bits. Next, peel off the skin and chop the vibrant orange flesh into roughly 1-inch cubes. Arrange these cubes in a single layer on a baking sheet. Pop them into the freezer for at least 2 hours or until they are completely solid. This step is crucial for the sorbet's texture. Once your cantaloupe cubes are frozen solid, it's time for the magic to happen. Transfer all the frozen cantaloupe, along with a half cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, into a powerful blender. Blend on high speed until the mixture transforms into a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency. You might need to pause and scrape down the sides a few times to ensure everything is incorporated evenly. Keep blending until there are no icy chunks left. Almost there, pour your beautifully blended cantaloupe mixture into a shallow, freezer-safe container. A loaf pan works wonderfully for this. Cover it tightly and place it back into the freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it reaches a firm, scoopable consistency. When you're ready to enjoy, simply scoop out generous portions of your homemade cantaloupe sorbet. It's a wonderfully refreshing and naturally sweet treat, perfect for a warm afternoon. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.